2005, you were widowed. Namatay ang asawa mo. Then you're a single mother to 4 children.
My panganay only son was 12, and my 2 older girls were 9 and 8, and my bunso was 3. I became the sole breadwinner. All the kids were in school over many years after that. So naranasan ko bayaran yung tuition monthly. I experienced mangutang sa mga ninong-ninang nila for their tuition. Nansel ko yung joint credit cards namin ni Frank. Then binayaran ko yung balance over many months. And then, actually, I've never gone back.
Wala kang credit
Hanggang
card ngayon.
Debit card lang. Walang credit card. Sabi ko sa mga kids, okay, we live within our means. We live with my sweldos. There was one time or a few times, but one was the most memorable. A few times naputulan kami ng kuryente. Yeah. There was another year, I forgot to pay my income tax on time. I was there before the assessor and she said, oh sige ma'am, ito po yung return mo at saka yung penalty kasi late. And I got it. And siguro it was such a hard week that week. I started to cry in front of her.
Nakakagulat isipin na, wow, si Senator Risa, umiiyak pala. Eh kung paano ka sumagot sa Senado, nakakalimutan ng ilang tao na tao ka rin. Sa hirap ng pinagdaanan mo, you could have been corrupt like the others. What is it in you that, you know, yung strength mo that you're able to, I won't go there?
For one, gusto ko talagang sumunod dun sa panata ng aktivista, and at the same time nandun sa code of conduct of public officials and employees to live a simple lifestyle, live within my means. Sa aktivista naman, simple living, hard struggle. So sa pagiging isang politiko, sinasabi ko yung ganun din, simpleng pamumuhay and then puspusang pagtatrabaho. I just have to stay rooted in my middle-class origins. I'm grateful hindi kami mahirap all the time, pero hindi rin naman kami ever naging mayaman. Life lesson for me na kayang mag-survive bilang middle class and to have that dream for everybody.
Sinasabi ng ilan that for 2028, you could be one of the front runners of the opposition, no? You said you're open. Pero serious ka ba that gusto mo ba yung problemang yon?
Serious ako sa pagiging open at willing na magbuo ng mga solusyon sa mga problemang iyon.
Kasi kailangan.
Kailangan talaga natin yan.